yeah, I drink, and I don't really care what you think. Damn my Jew, keep me loose. It could be a 211, it could be great good. As long as I'm juice, I'm about to go recruit. That's what I do when I'm.
Welcome back to another episode of Eat, Drink, and Handle Your Business. And of course, it's the drink portion. So
this is my favorite part of the show, y'all. Thelma.
So tell us who you are and what you're making today.
So my name is Thelma, and I'm making a Strawberry Cocurita.
There we go.
Ooh,
Talk
okay,
to me.
yes.
Talk to me.
Yeah, so what are we starting with?
So we're gonna start with strawberries and cucumbers diced up.
Okay.
We're gonna muddle them. Instead of using a simple syrup, I'm gonna use our Contro and mix it in with our tequila.
You fancy,
We're using
huh?
Coconut tequila today.
I see your earrings. I see you.
So we already tossed in our cucumber and strawberry. I'm gonna toss in our Contro.
Now, I'm going to tell you something, Thelma. Now, we like our drink strong on this show, okay? At least I do, anyway.
Oh, Lord.
It's definitely gonna be strong, but
there we go.
refreshing.
Talk to me. And you said you made this yourself. You came up with this recipe yourself.
I did.
So how'd you come up with it?
I'm a tequila drinker, so I don't always like the bite of the regular 1800. So I like the coconut because it's got that sweetness.
Okay.
But when I added the cucumber, it takes a little bit of the sweetness away
Gotcha.
and makes it real refreshing and smooth.
That's dope. Okay, I'm ready.
So you're muddling this right now. So she's already putting her cucumbers, her diced strawberries, and you put in how much of this was in there?
I put an ounce because I'm gonna make it, we're at home, so I'm not at the bar where we have North Carolina regulations.
Okay.
So we're gonna drink today.
There we go.
Okay,
Back in the day, you could get
hey.
the ounce for 60 to 65.
So we're gonna go in with 2 ounces of the 18 coconut.
Ooh. We about to say everything with our chest, y'all.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Oh, you see that pour, y'all? That's steady hands right there.
You know, men, we like coconuts.
And followed by our sour mix.
Okay.
Ooh. And how you know how much it is? You just used to doing this, huh?
I've been doing this 18 years now.
Girl,
Wow.
talk to me now. 18 years, 1800. We all up in it. Y'all need to cut us a check for that.
So we're gonna top it off with our ice.
All right, you know this our part. This is our part, John. We about to shake it up, shake it up, shake it, shake, shake. Hey, yes. All right, so what's next?
So after that, we always take it and pour it over fresh ice.
Ooh.
You know you're gonna have to make 2 right now.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Cause Ty not getting that. They know they say ladies first, but
I knew he was about to leave me out as soon as I saw one come, but that's okay.
So then we're gonna take
you can
a slice
have
of cucumber,
Okay.
a couple strawberries,
Okay.
a couple straws,
Okay.
and voila.
It already looks good. All right, so to the good life, you guys. To the good life. Oh, wow. Y'all,
What?
wait, pause. This
That
is
cucumber
really-
takes it away.
it literally tastes like a fresh cucumber water. Like, nothing.
I'm mad right now. Then we gotta get another cup or something. We gotta make something right now. You know this is.
You know it's good when you can drink it to the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
She trying to rub it in.
Dang, here, John, here. Dang.
Yeah.
I said the same thing.
Talk to me. Thelma, what the hell? So how can people get in contact with you? How can they come see you, support you, and pay you? Because
So-
you're good at what you do.
My personal email or Instagram is Thelma. That's Instagram and Facebook. My private is Breaking the Ice Bartending, and that's both on Instagram and Facebook as well.
So what all do you do? I mean, do you work at any other spots? Do people can come see you in person, or do
So
you?
currently I am a bartender at the Press Box.
Okay, Press Box here in Charlotte, very good, cool place to go.
Yes.
Come see Thelma. Thelma, when do you normally work?
I'm there Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Ooh, I'm definitely gonna have to check you guys out because I like to drink, but I'm like more of a subtle, something that's sweet but good. I'm usually a Jack and Coke girl, but that Honey.
And this Thelma, is there any underscores or anything like that?
Yeah, so it's an underscore between all the Thelmas.
Okay.
So Thelma underscore Thelma underscore Thelma.
And it's gonna be on the screen right here.
Yeah. Just
Yeah.
in case you might be.
But
blind.
definitely call her because listen, we about to make some more of these because
Yeah.
I got that.
Yeah. So stay tuned because we're also gonna be making little Christmas trees, and I think I need one more of those too.
Absolutely.
We'll be right back.
Drink, and handle you bitch the shit, yeah. And drink, and handle you bitch the shit, yeah. And drink, and handle you bitch the shit, yeah. And drink, and handle you bitch the shit.